हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल मैजेस्टिक होम में आज आपका स्वागत है। Yours रोशनी शर्मा is here to show you the floor today of 75 square yards nearby a metro connectivity is only a 300 meters only. So friends, now I've been entered to my home. If I talk regarding what the curtains is also getting in a cherry color of cutters. Firstly, I'm going to show you my common washroom. This is the common washroom which is designed with the Italian marble. Even you can see all the showering with the Italian with like this. We have given you the hanging shower. It's all a stylish washroom. Have you been saw that in the malls all the tapping is fitted in a wall only. Here the geyser you can able to put. Hanging for the towels की बात करूँ तो यहाँ पे आप कर सकते हो. Glasses, mirrors is already fitted. Which all the facilities we need in a washroom is already been put in this washroom. So now I'm going to show you the area of your sofa place. Here you can able to put your 20-seater of sofa of the L shape. If I talk 10 this side and 10 this side, in center you can able to put your table. If I show you the flooring, you can see the flooring. It's a granite stone with a branded of stones we have been put it in this floor. The false ceiling of this floor with the zoomer and the fans. It's a really a very beautiful floor, friends. This is your LED panel. You can see whole wall is full with the wooden. All the switchboards are there. Branded switchboards are already here. You can see all the drawers at the upstairs. Now the time is to take you for the first bedroom. I would like to show you the door design. This is the door design you can see. Today definitely I'm getting the lots of the calls, and every day I'm getting the lots of the calls. It's attached with the washroom, with the common washroom. It's the second door which is attached with the common washroom. So you can see this is the common washroom. It's also having the second door. It's a second door which you can able to shut down. This is the almirah. You can see combination of the colors. This is your dressing, especially for the ladies. If the senior persons wants to make, or the couples wants to make their bedrooms, so you can able to put your bedroom. If I talk you regarding for the wallpaper, you can see a very decent 3D wallpaper is there. If I talk regarding for the curtain is really a very stylish curtain. So you can see the false ceiling of this one. Now the time is to show you the curtain of this room. So you can see the curtain is already available. This floor is with curtain, fans, zoomers, everything. Only you have to bring your clothes and accessories of your kitchen. Times to go a very beautiful, decent kitchen with a very beautiful designer Salmaika color. So let's go to a kitchen. So this is the curtain we have been put it over here. You can see. Here is also I have given the curtain in this floor. If I'll talk regarding for the glasses, so see the glasses at the center point. If I'll talk regarding for the Salmaika, upper I've given you the widening. Two tanks has been given to wash the accessories. Tapping, you see branded tapping is already available. Here you can put your towel when you the fridge place. Here you can put your angles of the accessory which you use in cooking the foods. The back side you can see all the channels are there. There is a chimney is already open. You can see you really feel like you came in a hotel. So now I'm going to move it to my second bedroom which is attached with the washroom. So this is my second bedroom. Firstly I would like to show you the false ceiling of this room. Now I would like to show you the wallpaper. You can see a color. Whole home is a color with a grayish and a whitening shading with a very decent color. Now the times to show you the LED panel of yours. This you can able to make your children room. It is attached with your washroom also. So this is also, you can see a very beautiful washroom with a stylish, with wash basin and everything. You can see I really love this floor a lot, and even each of the floor is really very decent. You can see everything is been put it here. You can able to put your AC. Even I have given you the power points which is fitted. So now the times to show you, this is my third bedroom. Firstly, I would like to show you the false ceiling of this room with a bluish color of lightning and the whitening. Now I am going to take you for the wallpaper. Chocolating is totally with the fancy lights which has been put it on a wall. Now I like to show you the LED panel of this side. This is the LED panel, you can see. This is the almirah. You can see a very spacious long almirah is giving to you. If I talk regarding for the window, curtain is already available. You can see the contrast I have given you. Here you can put your AC. This is the window. Now I am going to enter to your balcony. This is your balcony. Even you can see it is a front side, and plus you can see all the buildings are here. It is in a DK road, friends, so don't miss it. Here you can able to wash your clothes. You can see tapping is already stylish. Tapping is there. If I talk regarding for the railing, you can see the railing is already steel railing is on. It is a front side. You can see. It's really a very beautiful. So definitely you will like my floor today. Facilities which I am going to give you in this floor, it is with the lift and the car parking. This floor is 75 square yard nearby a metro. Don't worry about the floor. Don't worry about the cost. I have the starting cost from 20 lakhs of 2 BHK, 3 BHK. I do have nearby 30. More than that, so my starting cost is 20 lakhs. So please come and meet me in my office. Call your Roshni 8595888303 and book your home. It is in maybe in your budget, so don't miss it. Don't miss this floor. A beautiful floor with with a stylish modular kitchen, with a curtain, with a jhoomer, fans, everything. Only you have to bring your clothes and accessories usually used in a daily use in a kitchen, and you have to enter your home. Only booking amount is 21,000. Loan amount is 100%. I cannot say yes, 85%. I can able to give you the loan in this floor. Now the time is to fulfill the dreams of yours, of your family. So please come and meet me in my office. 8595888303 is my number. Call me anytime and come and meet me, your Roshni, and bring the lights in your life. And don't worry about loan. Especially I'm telling you the loan, because lots of the times friends and viewers are worrying who is the person coming to buy the floor. So just don't, loan hoga ya nahi hoga. That is my responsibility to give you the loan. Even that is all responsibilities are my only. So don't worry. Come and meet your Roshni and make your home, fulfill your dreams. Love you always. Thank you.